Inside Story. Our mission story this week is titled The Man Shares Sabbath, and it's by Andrew McChesney of Adventist Mission. Not many people can tell that they have spoken with an angel. Farmer Notley Tidwell could, but he didn't. Instead, he referred to the mysterious stranger as the man. One evening in the 1880s, Tidwell prayed as he trudged home, his fiddle in hand, from a barn dance in the U.S. state of Texas. He was confused. He had been raised to worship on Sunday, but he had been studying the Bible and saw that the fourth commandment said, "Remember the Sabbath day to keep it holy," in Exodus 20 and verse 8. As he prayed, a man suddenly appeared beside him. Tidwell knew everyone in the area, and he had never seen this man before. But he wasn't startled. The stranger was very pleasant. "He just appeared and started talking to him," said his granddaughter, Lorena Stigold, aged 94. The conversation soon turned to the Sabbath, and Tidwell shared his growing conviction that God had set aside Saturday, not Sunday. He expressed bewilderment that he couldn't find anyone who observed Saturday. The stranger said he knew of a group of people who worshipped on Saturday, and he gave directions to their meeting place. Tidwell glanced to the side as they spoke, and when he looked back, the man was gone. "He was just there, and he turned, and he was gone," said his great-granddaughter, Reba Seifert, aged 68. Returning home, Tidwell told his wife about the unusual meeting, and days later decided to follow the man's directions. They led to a farmhouse where a small group of Seventh-day Adventists met every Sabbath. Tidwell was baptized into the Adventist church with his wife and their 8 children. He later became a local church leader and planted the first local Adventist church located between the towns of Linden and Marietta in Texas. Although the church is now closed, others have sprung up in the area, including a church in Linden where Stigold attends with other relatives. Tidwell's legacy also lives on. His faithfulness to God spawned several generations of mission-minded Seventh-day Adventists who have served as Bible workers, literature evangelists, and special needs leaders in Texas and beyond. "He became the first Adventist in a large family," said Seifert, one of granddaughter Stigold's 4 children. Tidwell never identified the stranger as an angel, but the family believes that he was sent from heaven in answer to an earnest prayer. "He just called him the man, but he believed that God sent him," said Stigold, who heard her grandfather tell the story when she was a girl. "I believe he was an angel," she said. And there's a picture of Stigold and her daughter Reba. You have been listening to a reading of the Adult Sabbath School Bible Study Guide by Dr. Percy Harold from Queensland, Australia. This service is brought to you by Hope Channel, the Sabbath School Department, and Christian Services for the Blind. Remember, God is always faithful.